Thanks for joining me today. We have a 2026 Sea Ray. This is an SDX 230, and this is the Surf Edition. So Sea Ray's getting into the surf game with a few different boats. This is the 230, so 23-foot sun deck, or SDX they call it. It's got the nice tower. This is a power tower. Obviously you can see the board racks up there as well. We got white with a black bottom. Then as we come to the back, you can see a nice swim platform, drop down swim deck here. And then we got the Mercury reverse drive. This is called our Bravo 4. And then the plates for surfing, underwater lights. Great surf boat, great all-around boat just to go out and take it with friends and family. So let's take a look at the interior. All right, welcome aboard this SDX 230 Surf Edition. As you can see, it does have a nice sun pad in the back. You got cup holders, places to plug in phones. This backrest right here does move. Got storage in the floor, nice walk-through. All sea deck, nice wraparound seating, co-captain's area with a backrest that does move forward and aft. Same with the captain's chair here. Both have bolsters if you want to get up a little bit higher. We've got dual Simrad screens up here, digital throttle. Everything can be controlled right there from those Simrad screens for surfing, filling ballast, or just driving the boat like normal. Fusion stereo system throughout. Fusion head unit right here. And then we come down into here. We've got a nice little place to get away. Storage. And then as we come to the bow of the boat, another wraparound seating all the way. Place for a table. Some storage underneath the seats. Again, cup holders. We've got a nice bow ladder right here. Place for an anchor as well. Again, 23-foot boat. Good for a little bit of everything, but if you do like to surf, this does give you the ability to do that as well. It is here at our Rogers location. We'd like you to stop on by anytime or give us a call to set up an appointment.